Hello guys, welcome back to another CHash or Unity tutorial. And in the last video, we were talking about these four tabs, over here. The animation tab, the animator tab, the project tab, and the console tab. But today, we'll be learning how to actually create CHash scripts. The question comes, why do we actually need CHash scripts? The answer is really simple. The only thing you can do without any CHash scripts is technically make a cube fall down or collide with another cube. But what you can't do is make a cube move based on some logics, or make your player get hurt when somebody hits it, or anything like that. So in short, any logics needs to be done in the coding part. So let's learn how to actually create a CHash script. And there are two different ways to do it. One way is go into the project tab, right clicking, and go to create and CHash script. And then you can create a CHash script over here as you see. I'll delete this because I also want to show you the other way on how to create a CHash script. Okay, wait, deleted. And now the other way is go to your game object that you want your script to be in and go down to add component. And you could put like any name you want. Let's say I'm gonna put hello world because we're gonna create a hello world script. And you just press enter, and then you can change the name if you want again, and just do create and add. Notice that the script appears over here in the project tab, and also you can see over here in the inspector tab of this object, you can see the hello world script, and also see that the check mark over here is checked, which means this script is activated. So in any point in time, you could just deactivate and the script will no longer be used. So now that we actually have the CHash script created, the script document, let's actually go inside the CHash to create our first code. Once you double click it, it should open in Microsoft Visual Studio. And this bit of code will automatically be populated on your screen. So let's start with the two functions in the middle. One says start and one says update. So the start one will run once in the beginning of the game. When the game just starts, this function will be run. So that means if you put any script in this function, it will only be run once in the beginning of the game. So the update function over here will be run every frame of your game. It's like a loop. It will be run every frame of the game. Once I put something in it, then you will understand. And both of these functions are coming from the class of Unity, MonoBehavior. It's basically the main class that is inside of Unity, and you inherit it. And notice this name right here is the exact same name that we created on the Unity side, Hello World. So let's start by saying hello in the start function. So to do that, all you have to do is debug.log. And inside the log, I'm gonna put something. So let's just put something right here. So what you're gonna do, this is a function, so you have to put brackets around it. And as all functions, you have to put an argument inside of it. And what we're gonna put is hello. HELLO. So let's run this and see the result. So let's go to Unity, come over here, and let's go to the console because that's where everything will be printed. And press the play button. So as you can see, hello was printed once over here because you can see this little logo over here. So let's go back to the code, but first we have to close this. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this debug.log thing. I'm gonna bring it to the this other function, the void update. So let me save my script, go back to Unity, and right now it's loading the script. Let me clear and let's just play it and see what happens. Now, as you can see, the numbers are rising really quickly because this is happening every frame per second. If I want to show you, I have collapse on, and if I don't, it will just constantly show each and every one of them. In just a few seconds, the script ran 3,497 times. That will be all for the coding session today. I'll make sure to upload tomorrow, so make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye.